Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Prudent.
I just want to inform you that the veneration of the sacred relics will continue with the normal timings, that is from 7 o'clock in the morning till 6 o'clock in the evening. There are rumors that the veneration will be closed during Christmas time. It will not be closed. Veneration will go on as usual. What will be closed is the wheelchair facility and the buggy car facility. This will be closed from the 24th of December till the 27th of December. So I would request you also not to bring people who need a wheelchair or a buggy, not to bring them during those days. On the 27th of December, the veneration gate will close at 5 o'clock in the evening instead of 6 o'clock in the evening. Because on the 27th of December, we have the Shillong Chamber Choir performing in the cathedral lawns. On the 24th of this month, in the night, we celebrate the solemnity of the birth of Christ. Our own Archbishop Cardinal Philippe Neri Ferrand will preside over the Eucharistic celebration.